Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a glam look. I'm going to be doing a wing liner and we're going to be using my berry color in KARI. So let's start. I already pre-did my contour a bit. I'll just probably go in there and add more definition. I already did my eyebrows a bit. So today we're going to be using a KKW. It's a bit messy, so that means I definitely use it. This is her classic palette. So I'm really just going for a very soft eye look. I'm gonna use this small tapered brush and we're gonna just be using this light brown color here. So literally we're just going around the crease. So next, I'm going to be using the Nikita Dragon Beauty palette. I am obsessed with this palette. You can see how dirty it is and how much I use Femme. It is like the perfect contouring color. You could also convert it into a bronzy look. What I like to do is finish contouring my face with this powder. I love using Surge to just touch up my eyebrows because it just has like the perfect color. It's not meant for eyebrows. You could really use it for anything. So with like a dense brush, I'm gonna use that to just go in there and literally just, I push up. Next, I will be contouring my nose using Femme. So literally I just grab the same brush I use for my eyes and I just like to go on the top of this corner, just connect it to my eyebrows and then I just go down very softly. It's not too heavy. I'm not a big fan of making my nose too skinny. I kind of like the look and then I just like to like tap on the sides. I don't like it when you could just see the nose contour going down. I like to, on the sides, just kind of connect it lightly. Next, I'm going to use it. Okay, clearly I'm obsessed with Dragon Beauty. She's doing an amazing job. Nikita Dragon is doing an amazing job in her products. I used to never really be able to set my face with transparent powder, but I ordered her new pressed powders and I honestly love the finish. I don't feel like my face is cakey. The one thing I hate is when I use makeup and I feel like I have the thickest layer of makeup. With this, I definitely don't. So, using the sponge here, and today I'm going to be using more of the yellow tone. So just tap, tap, tap. And then I'll just go in here in the corner. And then I like to just tap it in. I go all the way down exactly to where I did my contour. And then with the tip of the sponge, literally just go down the bridge of my nose. You guys see how it just pops out? And then I just like to highlight the tip and a little bit of the bridge. And then we're gonna go in there and do the forehead. You guys see the difference? How this side just really just all pops out. And this side is just, you know, kind of meh. Okay, next I'll just grab a big brush and just kind of blend it all together. Now I'm gonna do the blush. I like to use this little brush to really have control. So I like to just smile really, really strong. And then toward the end, I love using this MAC bronzer, Give Me Sun, just to kind of put everything together. So you see like this side is not as light colored, it just kind of, you still see the definition, but it just blends it all in. And then next, we are gonna highlight the nose just very slightly using the Fenty Beauty in Lightning Dust. Using Surge, I'm gonna go in there and just touch up my eyebrow using the Morphe and Jeffree Star eyebrow pencil. So literally, I just like to go in there. Next, we're gonna be using my lipstick, the matte lip stain in KARI. So I like to start with the outer corners of my lip. Now they're a little uneven, so I'm gonna go in there and correct the shape. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.